Have you ever opened a chart and felt like you were staring at a giant store with no idea what to buy? Here's the good news. If you understand grocery shopping, you already understand the basic structure of the stock market. Think of the stock market as a grocery store. The exchange is the store. A broker is the associate who completes the transaction. Your trading platform is the shopping app. Stocks, futures, options, commodities, ETFs are the products. And buyers and sellers are the shoppers and suppliers. Let's talk about the exchange. The New York Stock Exchange and NASDAQ work like the store itself. They create an organized place where products are listed and buyers and sellers can meet. A stock may be available through the exchange, just as groceries are available on shelves. But the exchange does not decide what belongs in your cart. Now let's separate the broker from the platform. Your broker is like the store associate. It routes and completes your order. Your trading platform is like the store app. It helps you search, compare prices, study charts, and plan the purchase. The platform helps you decide what you want. The broker handles the transaction. Neither one guarantees that you made a good choice. You may have asked, who means price? Buyers and sellers. If everyone wants strawberries and the supply is limited, the buyers move price up and the price can rise. If strawberries sit untouched and supply is plentiful, the price may fall. Stocks behave in a similar way. Stronger demand can push price up, while stronger selling pressure can push it down. Price is the result of supply and demand, not a promise of value. Every store has hours. For U.S. stocks, the core session is generally 9:30 a.m. to 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, with extended hours access around it. But an open market is only access. It is never a command to trade. So how should a beginner shop? Wait for a setup. You understand. Look for value instead of chasing movement. Decide exactly how much you are willing to risk before you enter. And remember, you can leave the store without buying anything. Passing on a poor trade decision, not a missed opportunity. Successful traders do not grab everything they see. They shop with patience, a plan, and a budget. Like and subscribe for more Real Talk from Terry Smith, where we build our portfolio one disciplined decision at a time.